Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you if you are having a suspension issue in your Google Merchant Center account, then how you can fix it and how you can recover it and what kind of things you need to recheck on your website and in Google Merchant Center account. So let's start. So I have created some checklist for Google Merchant Center and website also. So first one is the website audit checklist. If you want to, recover your Google Merchant Center account, which is linked to your website. So you need to check these specific areas in your website. Like your business should look legitimate and it should also have trust signals. Trust signals means people should trust your website and how they will trust your website. You should mention all the policy pages and all types of charges clearly on the website, like shipping charges, tax, or any other charge. If you charging to customer, then you should clearly show all these charges. And your website should have a secure checkout and valid SSL certificate. And other things you can also check for, like trust factor. In you can also Google in trust factors for e-commerce website. You can also search in Google e-commerce website. Okay. So what are the trust factors for a e-commerce website? You can check here. Customer service, testimonials, good user experience, securing your website, loyalty programs, display trust badges, product reviews. So these are like a trust factors of a website. Key trust factors for an e-commerce website include security measures, secure payment gateways, transparency means transparency in pricing, shipping, return policy, and any additional charges. Social proof are also, trust signals for a website, and a professional and intuitive design, clear contact, and customer support. So many new e-commerce support owners, what they do not provide a customer support option and they do not mention all the charges or policies clearly on their website. So because of this missing information, customers should not trust easily. So you should always include these trust factors in your website. And to know more about these trust factors, you can also search on Google trust factors for e-commerce website. So you should make your website to look legitimate, and you should also add trust signal to your website. And the next thing is product and landing page quality. So all the product pages should be live, and they should match with the feed data. Like sometimes people provide business owners provide different information in their e-commerce store, and they put some different data for same product in Google Merchant Center. So all the product data should be same everywhere, like a title, price, and availability. And your website should not have any placeholder text, broken or under construction pages. Otherwise, it will create a bad, user experience and bad customer experience. And product description should be unique, detailed, and not misleading. So you should not, add misleading information to your product, like claiming a benefit that actual product does not provide. So this also comes in, misleading information. Pricing should be consistent across the landing page and feed also. Sometimes, due to product synchronization, pricing, error comes in our product feed also. So you should also check for any pricing error and landing page information error also. Shipping and tax information are clearly stated. So Google takes shipping as a very high priority case. So you should not make any mistake while setting up a shipping policy. And one thing also, if you are making your e-commerce store for selling on Google, then you should check this error before submitting your. You should fix, not a check. You should check and fix also these errors before selling on Google, because in today's time, most of the platforms are have implemented AI in their platform, and because of the AI, if anything error happens, they automatically suspend their sorry, they will automatically suspend your Google Ad and Google Merchant Center account both. And getting human interaction is very, near to impossible these days. So they do not have time to check manually all your details. So better is that you follow some preventions before submitting your product to Google or any other platform. So you should always check for these areas in your website. And people don't care about technical SEO and crawlability, fixing crawlability issues. They think that these things are not necessary for selling on Google. Say they just ignore these things, and these things are very important for accessing your information for Google bot or any other bot. So you should fix your technical SEO and crawlability issues in your website also. No index or robot TXT blocks are not preventing Googlebot access. Canonical tags are correctly implemented. Site should load quickly and it should be mobile friendly. Structured data should also be implemented for your product. No 404 error or redirect loop on the key pages. And policy compliance, you should not ignore any policy compliance. People, just they do not provide all the policy pages which are required or compliant by Google, and they just think that we can sell on Google even without creating a complete policy on their website. So Google can suspend your Google Merchant Center and Google Ad also for not complying with their policy pages. So policy compliance include website, Google Ad. Your website should compliant with the Google shopping ad policies. Shopping ad policies have a lot of terms and conditions. You can read separately about Google Ads shopping ads policies here from Google shopping ads policy pages. Okay, you can read from here. And the next factor I will talk about is no misleading claims, fake scarcity, or deceptive pricing. And your product should not be restricted. No restricted products supplement adult content or weapons. And age restriction or disclaimer are present if required. If your website require age restriction or disclaimer, then you need to mention these also. And your business model should be transparent. You should not hide any information. And the next part is feed and account synchronization. So your products feed should be updated and match with the website content. GTIN, MPN, and brand fields should be correctly populated. Feed diagnostic must not show any critical errors. And shipping setting in GMC should match with the website shipping policy. So these are the some area. I will provide this document in description section. You can download it and check it. Okay. And the next thing is you need to audit your Google Merchant Center account also, because sometime we do not configure things properly in Google Merchant Center account, and because of these misconfiguration, Google also suspend your Merchant Center account. So you need to first understand the suspension type, and uh, after understanding the suspension issue, you need to fix all these problems in your website, and then you can submit your Google Merchant Center account for approval. So this video will be very long if I explain every point. So you can check this point after downloading this Google Doc file. I will provide this in description section, and you can download it and check it. And if you are still facing any issues in recovering Google Merchant Center account, then you can also contact me. I will help you to recover your Google Merchant Center account. And my number is given in YouTube channel banner, and I will provide my number in video description also. So you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I will help you. Okay. Thank you.